and Charlotte on yoga here. We have done some fishy business. Now we're going to do yoga for birds. So today's pose is an arm balance. It's called Bakasana, which means crow pose. So to do this, we're first of all going to do a parrot tree pose called Malasana or garland pose. It's a deep squat. So you come into a nice squat with your heels flat on the floor and pressing hands together as you press your knees apart with your elbows. This is a good hip opener and ankle flexibility. Try to sit upright, so send the weight back towards your heels. Sit down into the pose so your spine comes more upright. From here, we're going to move into Bakasana. So take our hands and place them on the floor in front, leaving our knees as they are, as high up your upper arms as you can get them. And then just sending the weight forward until you become confident that you'll be able to balance here. And you don't have to do this all in one go. This could take you several tries to perfect. And you lift one foot off the ground and then the other, and you come into your balance. The main thing that stops people from achieving Bakasana, I think, is fear. So it's good to work with that if you have fear in your life. The thing that worries people is that they're going to fall onto their head, so you could put a blanket or something soft there, so if you do fall down, which you probably won't, you won't get hurt. Otherwise, just keep practicing. Take it day by day. Practice just a minute a day. You get there eventually. It's one of those poses that you can't do, and then suddenly it's